Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Argentina. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other countries' visas that you may have, you may or may not actually need a visa. And when these things you check and you want to see how you're gonna apply, always check the updated requirement, or in other terms, the current requirements as per the official entity of the destination country that governs your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional documents, steps, even fee also. For example, if you're an Indian citizen who's living in India, I have opened embassy, Argentina embassy in India website. Here, if you go for consular services, you have application process for visas. So one is general consideration, okay. Second is for tourist visa. So for going through tourist visa, we need to go for general guidelines for all, and then for tourist visa. They have given the official email address where you have to send all the queries if you want. Phone call and personal visits without appointment are not permitted, so don't go for that. Now, application must be presented at least 6 weeks before the expected date of travel. And in some cases, it may take longer because they may need to do additional verification if they want. They can always ask for additional documents too if they really feel to. Now, few important points. A visa application form must be handwritten or filled digitally by the applicant and signed in blue ink. It should be printed on three separate sheets, not back to back. So never print back to back. Point 51 must be applicant's full name as per passport in blue ink and block letters along with signature. So don't miss these details. If you go with incomplete documentation, sorry, they're not gonna accept it. Okay. Personal interview they are gonna conduct and they don't have any exception. You are strongly advised to book only dummy reservation until you receive your passport with stamp visa, and the payment of visa fee is mandatory in order to initiate the visa process. Okay, fine. I'll come to payment also because there is some treaty, or you can say something, between India and Argentina that exempt a lot of people from such uh, payments. So we'll go through that. So for temporary visa, if your place of residence in these, you must apply for visa at this. Okay, fine. If you place in Maharashtra, you need to apply there. Okay, Mumbai. Fine. Now coming to the visa, how you can apply. So first, email all documents for verification as per the list requirement applicable to your visa category. So first, you need to send everything to them by email. Once they verify, they will give an appointment to submit the application in hard copy. On the day of appointment, flight tickets, hotel, or detail like booking information like printout you should carry. Also submit two recent passport size photograph. Document should not be stapled or punched. Should use U pins instead. Back-to-back printout of any document or bank statement are not acceptable, so don't do that. Okay. If all documents requirement are fulfilled, visa interview can be conducted on the same day. Perfect. Collection of passport will be confirmed after the visa interview, and it generally takes 3 working days, but it may take longer based on case. Visa, you can request an urgent processing which carries extra fee and it is subjected to availability. Okay, so it's not guaranteed, but at least there's a process available. So what are the things you need to carry? Visa form, passport copy, all documents must be emailed as attachment PDF format only, must be color scan and must be legible. Subject title also they have written the format you have to use. Okay. If all part of documents cannot be accommodated in single email, you can divide the document and send them in 2, 3 parts. Subject must include part 1, part 2, along with applicant names. Application form is given there, so we'll open that also. Surname, fill out by hand up to field 50. 51 sign and print name. Okay. Name and middle name. Father name, see the format. Mother name, see the format. Gender, date of birth, place of birth, all these match should match with your passport. Nationality, residency card, local ID number. Lebanese for family register number only for Lebanese origin. Your home address, home phone, email address, very important. Mobile phone number, type and passport number. Country, date of issue, expiration date, employer, work phone, marital status, occupation. The purpose of the trip, length of stay, Argentina references, place of stay in Argentina. So if you have booked a hotel or tour, they do provide such information. Date of arrival, date of departure, spouse, if applicable, children, if applicable. Have you ever applied for Argentina visa before? Yes, no. When did you apply? Where did you apply? Did you use that visa? If yes, when? How many days did you stay? What was the purpose of that trip? Does a spouse, partner, sibling, parent, relative reside in Argentina? Provide that info. List your cities of residence for past 3 years, including dates starting with your current residence. Have you ever been denied entry or banned from Argentina before? Pretty simple questions. Very simple questions. Nothing specific they have asked, but yeah, go through all and then. So 51, signature and print name. So for that, they have given you sign and print name in 51. So that is very important. You do. Then it's consular section site. Don't bother that. Okay. It was already written there. No, I opened it again. No worries. Yes. So this was for general instructions where we know how you have to begin your process. Now for tourist visa. New exemption for Indian nationals who are holder of valid US tourist visa. So if you have valid and current B2 US visa, green card, you can enter Argentina for tourism purpose without a consular visa or ETA with a maximum stay of 90 days. Do not, if you have, it is only for these kind of visas of US. Other visas, if you have, they do not apply. Yeah. So if you don't have this exemption, you can apply for a consular visa. Okay, fine. General consideration. Now, fee for Indian nationals under bilateral agreement, it's free. Wow. Fee, fees for other nationals. Other nationals means like in India, a lot of people from Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh reside. So if they want to apply here, they have to pay this fee, 150 USD. Documentation required: passport, original, visa application form, cover letter. We have also written what are the details to be included. A letter from your employer if you are currently employed and for how long. And it should be written on company resolution letter, letterhead you can say, signed by the person in charge, notarized and translated into Spanish. The translation does not need to be notarized. Okay. Travel itinerary, round trip flight tickets, any internal tickets that you have booked, hotel reservation. If someone has invited you, then you need an invitation letter. And there are additional requirements too. Funds evidence, last 6 months, bank statement, and consolidated balance certificate, all attested by the bank. Personal tax return for last 3 years and 3 months pay slip. For the appointment for hard copy submission, remember to bring the original passport. Okay. Photograph specification also they have given. So again, it's pretty simple. If we summarize, first collect all the documents, then email them, If they have cleared it, they will schedule an appointment for you. Go to your appointment along with the hard copies with the format and details and documents they have asked. And if everything goes smooth, you are all good to go. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.